I would like to cook, it's Sunday today, but I would like to cook, kung merong pinaupong manok, I would like to cook pinadapang manok naman. So, we're gonna check her inside. Hello, bebe! Kumusta? Ano bibilin mo? Ano bibilin mo?
Bak?
Bibili ka ng... Nagutom ako.
Vlog ka ba?
I would like to cook a chicken. Kung merong pinadapang manok, meron naman kung merong pinaupang manok, pinadapang manok naman. I like some chicken. Chicken jabber cuts. I like to eat right here. So, kailangan ko buo kasi jabber cuts right here. Also, so finally they have it right here. It's a 6,200. Pwede na to. Ito. Right here. Bibili ako ng pinadapa. Kasi gusto ko magluluto talaga. And I have a gas. Wala na akong gas, so I would like to buy some gas. Oh, they have a lot of product right here. So, alright. Isa pang gas right here. And then we're gonna go home for a little bit para makapagluto. Because I'm really hungry. I'm so hungry na Java cards. Really. And bibili ako ng gas dito. Because madalas kasi Java cards. I would like to buy, I think this one. So, magbabayad na po ako dun sa counter. I know, this is all I work for today. Nasamahan niyo po. Alright? Oh my gosh, never got that. Finally, I was home. Nag-harvest na rin ako ng konting like this one. This one is a lemongrass because I have a small garden right there sa labas ko. Na inano ko lang siya. Just all I do is tinanim ko lang siya. It's from Thailand. And then pag during the winter, all I can do is pinapasok ko yung aking garden. Kumusta na po kayo? Halo ako sa Visayas at Mindanao in Korean Angel po is back. For today is I would like to cook kung merong pinadapang manok. Merong pinaupong manok, pinadapang manok, eto naman, pinadapang manok. Yes. Nakatikim na ba kayo? Well, please don't go away. Stay and tune my channel and magluluto tayo because it's Sunday for today. And of course, sa inyo pong lahat mula po sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao and Korean Angel po, he's back. Look at that chicken. And of course, I'd like to say, uhay gozaimasu and domo arigatou and konbanwa po sa lahat po ng ating mga jobber cards dyan sa Japan and of course right here in Korea. Annyeonghaseyo, annyeonghaseyo. Today, I would like to eat pinadapang manok. Pinadapa na ang manok, lulutuin ko. Because all I can do is, I will cut it this one. It's so hot in here in Korea. Because wow, look at that. I bought this like 6,200 won. At sa lahat po ng mga kapampangan, maya pa po. Okay, Colin and Korean Angel po, he's back. Kung merong pinaupong manok, ito naman, pinadapang manok. Yeah, this is really good. And all I can do is, I would like to marinate it in 30 minutes or like 1 hour if in hurry up. Wow, kasi nag-iisa lang po ako. It's Sunday po today. That's all I can do. I would like to like I said a little bit celebrate. Look at this one. It's really good because yung yumao namin tatang is 1 year a birthday, mag-birthday po siya. So, magluluto ako ng pinadapang manok. Look at that. And all I can do is I'm gonna wash it our cards. This one. Lilinisin ko po siya. Wow. Wow. We clean it thoroughly. And of course, we're gonna put right here. And of course, this one, the most important things. This one because they absorb the taste and they absorb the aroma. This the lemongrass. It's a simple hack and it's simple for like cooking because this one like from the inasal, the chicken. This one is really good. I'll do like marinate right here in a few minutes, and I put this is Heinz wool sauce and a little bit. We can put a little bit pepper, something if you have the pepper because I like a little bit spicy. The burgers right here, back to back, right here, and we can put something a little bit salt. This one, look at that salt. I'll put a little bit salt. It's up to you if you want a little bit like a salty, but for me, I'm gonna put like I put like a little bit And of course, I have the tenderizer. This one is tenderizer. Includes the pepper, salt. I put a little bit, and of course, garlic and onion. And this one, every time I cook meat, I use this one, and I marinate it, and I marinate in a few minutes. Yes, after during we marinate, we can check our emails, or of course we can do shower, or we can wait like this. And that's it, double cuts. It's very easy, double cut. Look at that. It's so and so yummy. We can marinate it like in a few minutes. It's hot in here in Korea. Look at that. And of course, we wait till 1 hour. It's okay. Or if we're not in hurry up, we can do that. We can cook that tomorrow. Or we have oven. This all I can do. I don't have any oven, so that's why I'm use only like regular frying pan. So the leftover is I'm gonna put on a fridge, and of course, well, that's it. Until next day, pwede ko siyang lutuin. It's really hot in here. While I marinate this one, I'm gonna stay here for a while, or we can put in the fridge like in an hour or 30 minutes, and we can take a shower, and or something, we can clean the house. All right. Please stay tuned, and Korean Angel po, he's back. Tuloy po kayo sa aking maliit na munting tsahanan. Kahit ang tsahan ko is maliit, punong-puno pa rin ng pagmamahal ng galing sa'yo, ng galing sa kanya. It's never tired to share my story. So it's hot in here, so all we do right now is I'm gonna wait till like an hour. I do my laundry, I clean, and I check my emails, and of course I can join some screen some friend. At sa inyo pong lahat, bato-bato sa like ng katsaman mo kung magagalit, gaya-gaya po tumaya sis bomba, kay ganda po ng umaga. Yes, alright, just stay tuned at samahan niyo po ako sa aking pagluluto ng pinadapang. Alright guys, after like an hour, I'll just take a shower, and then nakapag-clean na rin ako because I'm hungry, so I'm ready. An hour na po ang nakakalipas, so all we do is we're gonna ready to cook. Yes, habang nagkukook tayo, di ba? Yes, we can talk to our mom, and then of course we can talk to you, and of course it's hot in here. It's summertime. But summertime actually we would like to eat a dried some fried foods like chicken, or we can make like a cold foods. Alright, because I use only gas double cuts because I don't have much money. I don't want to use my heat right here. And of course this one I make it hot. And of course I use this oil. This oil is veggie oil. It's what we call it. It's soybean oil, 100% veggie. Yes, pressed from the farm. Yes, painitin lang po natin, ladies and gentlemen, itong kewale. Yes, and then pwede tayong mega big shout out po sa ating mga double cut. Medyo nagutom na po ako, and then I have the rice. Habang pinapainit ko yan, pwede ako magkape. Actually, I have a coffee. Coffee is my life. And of course, mega big shout out po sa inyong lahat. And of course, sa aking family. And of course, to my mother sa Pilipinas, sa aking indong ibatan kay ima ako. And of course, happy birthday sa aming tatang na sumakay bilang buhay na. His birthday this coming weeks. Happy birthday sa iyo, Chang. And of course, from your family, and of course, from your siblings, that he never stopped dreaming. He never stopped making money for us. And of course, right now I'm gonna make it hot. I make it like a little bit like hot fire, and then later on when I put the chicken, I'll make it low fire. Yeah, look at that double cut. Paborito to ng mga double cut. Kung merong pinadapang manok, kung merong pinaupong manok, ito naman pinadapang manok. Yes. Huwag kang ma-stress. Kung iniwan ka, di ba? Ang gagawin mo, idaan mo lang sa luto. Natatawa si mga guys ko. Yes, I have ice right here. Just all I can do is I have tea. The Japanese tea is I make it boiled. Japanese tea with water, and of course ito yung iniinom ko na ng tubig. ginagawa ko na siya ng tubig, di ba? Saving money. Oh, naman, we love that save money. This one, and cheers po tayo, Jobber Cards. Look at that. It's Sunday for today. What we do usually sa ating mga Jobber Cards, especially when we get home, we give a chance to talk to our family. Right now, it's mainit na po siya, and I need my cover right here because yung mantika niya is ganun. I make it a lot fat right now, and of course we're gonna put it right here. Wow, look at that. Pinadapang manok, native. Wow, perfect. Yes, and I'm gonna I have the ice cream right here because we're gonna put it the lemongrass. Because the lemongrass it absorbs the aroma, it absorbs the taste, and it make really taste good and soft and tender and masarap po siya. All we're gonna cover it right now. I'm gonna cover it for a while, and of course para madali po siyang maluto, and of course para hindi po siya masunog, we can do like maybe like 25% fire or on our this one, and of course that's it. And we can make actually we are Filipino, we love rice and we love sauce. Wala doon, huwag na magsasawan. Oy, para makatipid-tipid ka, magtuyo-tuyo na lang. Lagyan mo na suka ba? Yung pwede na hindi na, di ba? Alam niyo, super tipid po tayo. Alright, right now, I'm gonna cooking right now, and then stay tuned. Baka maubos po ang ating memory because mahirap lang po tayo. Yes, baka maubos ang ating memory ba? Mahirap lang po tayo na nangarap sa ibang bansa. Yes, when we have time, this all we can do, we can cook because I cannot spend money. I can't spend money to eat outside because I'm really poor. I'm always because here in abroad because I pay my bills, and of course I bought my food and everything, and I send money home, and of course we love to take care of our body, so that's why we're here. We would like to eat a very healthy food, so kakain po tayo ng pinadapang chicken. Yes, walang himalo, di ba? Kaya lang po yung dapat guys po. Stay tuned. Right now, I'm still cooking the chicken. Habang maingay po ako ng super kulit. Stay tuned. Dapat card is almost like 10 minutes. That's all I can do is babalik-tarin ko po siya. I make it slowly. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Woo! It's a perfect. Woo! Perfect double card. Amoy pa lang. Ulam na. So right now I make it cover para mabilis po siya maluto para extend it, and then I make it I make it maybe like 50% or 50% something, or like 35%. And of course I have the onion. This is the onion leaves. All I can do is para yung dressing mix veggie or something, because like some friend like if you order fried chicken here in Korea, some like in the market they have veggie or this one, so I'm gonna make right here. Yes, right, double guys. It tastes like the garlic din siya. Like remember before when I was make a garlic with sour, that assumption. So we can make for a little bit para sa dressing. Not dressing, gusto ko po siya veggie. So all I can do is I will cut a little bit this one. Yes. Whew. It's hot in here, really. It's hot in here. Pag summertime, my gods, where we go? Of course, in the beach. Yes. Kasama ang ating mga friends. Diba? This one is, I will cut it little bit. I will cut it chicken. It might be like into small pieces. Not really small. And of course, right here. Gagawin ko siya. Parang ano lang. Because I don't have sauce. Actually, if we make sauce, of course, if we make sauce, we can toyo lang. Diba? Wala naman tayo mga tumas eh. Mahal. Because we here, toyo na lang. But this one, I'll make it like a Korean style salad. This one, this onion ring salad. At siya ang i-dressing ko sa parang yung pang deep ba. That's it, okay. It was about easy. Of course, right here. I'm gonna put a little bit sugar, and of course we can put a little bit salt. All right, and of course we have the pepper, red pepper. That's it. And if we have some what we call it, delicates, if we have some a little squeeze of onion, not a squeeze of garlic. No, it's sweet, not squeeze with garlic. What call it? Lemon. Little squeeze of lemon, we can put it. That's it. It's easy. At masarap na po siya ang dressing. Yes, but I don't have it because I say okay na yan. Okay na po yan. Di ba? At least meron tayong a little bit of salad in gagawin ko siya sa when I eat. Ito po yung pinaka I don't have any sauce. Yung pinaka-dressing niya. It's alright. So, I'm still waiting to cook. It might be like 10 minutes more. I'm gonna get a lot of fire. Yes. Habang nag-a lot of fire yan, pwede tayong sumayaw ng buga. Ooh. Oh, volcano style. Diba? It's hot in here. And cheese po tayo. I have the Japanese steak with ice. Cheese po tayo sa inyo lahat. Okay? Kita ka may gana, kanyamana, bao pa, ulan mo, sincha igwa-chua. Igwa-go sincha maso. Diba? Pinadapang manok. May paano pang gigil. No, I'm always joking. So right now, I'm gonna wait hanggang maluto po siya. Stay tuned for sa finale po, alright? Please don't go away at samahan niyo po ako and be sure to major. Sa pinadapang manok, gigil na gigil pa. Stay tuned. Like Java cards, it's almost like after 10 minutes again. Yes. If we cook this one Java cards, it's always just a little bit like it takes time. But when we made it, wow, it's really good. So this one, the onion salad, I want to make it a little bit hot. So all I can do is I'm gonna put a little bit pepper. This is one is really spicy. This all I can do is only put only a little bit. This is number 5. Yeah, this one. Ginagamit ko na po ito pag nagluluto ako ng what you call that? Pag nagluluto ako ng factory chang or any like spicy food. That's it, Java. So it's time. It's ready, finally. And this is the dressing. Ito na yung pinaka-salad niya. I'm gonna put right here. And of course, we're ready to eat. I have some rice. Yeah, because you know we are Asian, we love rice. And of course, I have that soju too. Because the soju is gusto ko lang mag-inom ng soju. It's almost like done. Alright, charan. Wow. Look at that. Naluluto na po siya. And it's so tender. Woo! Diba? It's still hot. What you call it, Dawikad? The oil is still hot. So I turn off already the fire, but it's still hot, the oil, the cooking oil. So cheese po tayo with it. So di ko nasa po kayo, namiss ko po kayo. Meron ba sabihin ng banda at isyong sarap po ng aking Java card dyan sa Turkey and of course dyan sa bansang Spain. And of course, dyan sa Madrid, and of course, sa lahat ng ating mga Java cards sa El Salvador and Mexico. Buenos tardes, and te amo sa inyo pong lahat. And nag-big shout out po sa inyo lahat. And of course, Picola Adventure, thank you so much. You're always in there. And sometimes I'm really sorry, I was always busy in work and I get work almost morning. And I have another schedule for my second job. So, thank you, I apologize. Late na po ako minsan sa premiere ninyo. But, cheers po tayo. Nasa po sa inyo lahat. And of course, this one, the soju. Soju. Lilipad ka. Malipad ka. Libreng mangarap. Alright, so just all we do right now is ready na siya. Perfect. I smell the lemongrass. Wow, perfect. Look at that work, guys. Yes, perfect. And this one, pinaupong manok with lemongrass. right here. It's very easy. Diba? Kung merong pinadapang manok, ito naman. Kung merong pinaupong manok, ito naman pinadapang manok. Pinadapang manok. Yes. Kung na-stress ka, iniwan ka ng jowa mo. Don't worry, be happy. Just all you do is cook. Magluto na lang po tayo. And of course, right now, it's ready and it's time to taste. Yes. It's hot. It's hot. It's careful. And that's it. And it's easy and a little bit like greasy in here, and of course a little bit clean and right here. And that's all I can do is I'm gonna take a photo at kakain na po tayo. And of course we need some rice, diba? We have some rice right here because we're Asian, we love rice. Alam niyo naman, rice is our life. Rice lang ang katapat natin because I love rice talaga, guys. My right here. Kasi ako lang mag-isa. Kasi nag-isa lang ako dyan, because alam niyo naman, because we here para mag-travel, para kumita ng pera para sa ating pamilya at para sa atin din. And then we need to take care of ourselves. Alam niyo naman, if we take care of ourselves, we need to eat healthy food. That's it. So pipicturean ko po siya, and of course, kain na po tayo. Alright. So final Java cuts, yes, it's ready to cook, it's ready to eat. Kain na po tayo. And because we need rice, right? And of course, look at that. Kain na po tayo. Java cuts, saluhan niyo po ako. Tikman po natin ang ating luto. Yes, pinadapang manok. Right here. Yes. Kain po tayo at tuloy po kayo sa aking muting dahan. Wow! It's really tender. Java cuts, wow, perfect. Woo. It's success. Because when we marinate it like in a few minutes or 1 hour, lalo na po pag kinabukasan, mas masarap pa po siya. Wow. And we love rice. We love rice, really? Perfect. And I put the onion leaf salad that I made. That's it, double cut. Wow. And rice. Perfect. Very yummy. So yummy. Wow. And I told you. Perfect, napakasarap. Wow. Perfect. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And this is your Korean Angel. Ito ang pinadapang manok. Tanita na kanya manabin eh. If you like my channel, you can do subscribe to my channel. And please do me a favor. You can leave a comment down below. And of course, another favor, i-give nyo na lang po sa akin. Please, can you click the notification bell for sa new update ng aking video. I love you po. Mula sa bansang Korea. Saranghayo. At annyeonghaseyo. Paalam po sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye! See you po my next vlog.
Yeah, 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 yeah.